So I'm looking for an arithmetic series. We got to remember it's the number of terms. The formula for that is the number of terms times the first term plus the last term all over 2. And I don't know the first term, neither do I know the last term. They do tell me that, and I'm assuming this is a sub 1, usually it is. A sub n equals 4 plus 3 times n minus 1. So I guess I do know the first term. And I also know there's 17 terms in this. So 17 times 4 plus the last term, which I've yet to find out, over 2. So to find a sub 17, I'm going to replace n with 17 in this explicit arithmetic sequence formula. That's going to be 3 times 16, and 4 plus 48 will be 52. So that's 52. And what do we get here? We get 17 times 56. 56 divided by 2 is, 28? So 17 times 28 should be the correct answer. And I'm going to take a look here since I've got, you don't see this. Let's make sure I did that right. That is the correct answer. Hopefully that helps.